Hi guys, today's video is going to be very special for you. Don't miss any of our videos because we bring you powerful self-defense technique for every dangerous situation or incident that could happen to you at any time. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it as much as possible. Now let's start the technique. In this situation, where a kidnapper comes with a knife while you are standing against a wall, he grabs your collar with one hand and place a knife against your neck with the other hand. In this situation, the first thing you need to do is stay calm and don't panic. If we're demanding your valuable or something from you, like your watch, your expensive watch, then here you need to create a distraction. You can either hand the watch toward like this or quickly throw it down on the ground. The moment his attention shifts even slightly, immediately grab his wrist tightly with both of your hands and push his knife hand backward so the blade moves away from your neck like this and reduces the chance of getting out. Now the second thing, the step number 2. From here, you need to control his other arm as well. Quickly bring his arm over like this and push him backward. As you can see, this breaks his balance and take him down to the ground. Then fold his arm like this, and as you can see in this video, his other arm is also locked inside your shoulder control. Now he is fully under your control. Now I'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. Yes. Yeah.
Show the watch down. Go.
2, this, 3, leg forward, and down. This technique fast motion real situation, how it works or not. Yes.
Show the watch down.